Inshallah.
Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. Okay. So we stop where they took an oath. They said that we didn't come here to make corruption and we are not thieves, right? There. So we
Yes,
are
yes.
continuing that conversation. Yes, Sister Hamisa. Qalu.
Qalu is fi'il madhi
Oops.
mabni alal dom.
Fi'il madi mabni ala. Is my background noisy?
Okay.
Okay. And then
Litisolihi bi waw jama'ah.
Ittisalihi biwaw. Oops. Biwaw. Al jamaah.
Wal waw is domir mutasil fi mahalli rafa fa'in.
Okay. And of course, after this is what is being said. So what do we say?
Wa jumlah ba'daha fi mahalli nasab maf'ul bihi maqalun qaul.
Maqulul
Maqulul al-qaul.
Yes. Maqul is the what kind of word?
Maf'ul bihi isim maf'ul.
Yes, it's a maf'ul, maqul. Good. Okay. Yes, Sister Zarina.
Me.
Yes.
Yeah, fa. I copied from Quran. You say, yeah, fa is a what? Fasiha?
Okay.
Yeah. After that, I don't know what to do.
Okay. What
I
does
don't understand the rest.
okay? What does fasiha means?
A reason, a result, or something?
Flow.
Or explain,
fluent.
explain.
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 Oh, you're thinking of fasih, right, Sister Hamisa?
Yeah, that's it.
Yes. But
Explain,
yeah, here
okay.
this is basically explain. But what did we say about fasiha? If we have fasiha, it means that there's something missing. What is missing? There's something omitted. Remember? Let's go to Atifa. So this is when your revision can come in, Sister Hamisa, right?
Okay.
When you see certain things in the Iraab book, right? Okay, this is where our revision will come in. So Haf Ataf. Go to your fa. So we have tartib, sababiyah. Sababiyah have conditions. This one. Then fasiha. Okay, fasiha is to explain. When you say that's fasiha, you are saying that there is an omitted jumlah shart. So here the example is, I know when we read this example, you're like, oh yes.
Yeah, now you recall it.
Right? When Musa asked for water, Istasqa asked for water for his people. Then we said, Idrib, strike the stone with your staff. Then, so this is the Fatiha here. So then 12 springs gushed out from it. Okay. So what is that then here? Yeah. So what happened here?
Then you strike the stone with your stick, is that?
Yeah. So basically, when Musa strike,
right?
Yes. So that's when the water. Okay. So when there's this Fatiha here, so there is something that you have to connect the dots lah between these two. It's not Allah said this is what Allah told him to do, right? This is the result already. So what happened in between is his action. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you say that this is Fatiha, which I also saw. So what do you? Okay, so we do that Fatiha a bit later. What about the ma then?
The ma is a question. Ma istifham.
Ism or harf?
Isim.
Yes, ism. Istifham.
And do we say mabni? Can we say mabni?
Yes.
Okay, mabni on ala sukun.
Yes.
Yeah, and then we say fi mahali rafa because it's the mubtada.
Okay, fi mahali arafa because it's the mubtada. Good. So here we have a question. Oops, sorry. And then do one more. What about jaza'u?
Jaza'u will be the khabar.
Yes, the khabar will be what status?
The marfu. Marfu
Mhm.
bidamma.
Yes, bidhamma.
Yeah.
And then
And then the ha is the it's a ja, isn't it? Yeah.
sorry?
No, it's I know it's a mudaf ilahi.
Yeah,
So
so ha is what kind of word?
majru. Isim majru.
Before that, what
Oh,
kind of word is?
Domir.
Domir,
Yes, yes, domir
domir
what?
mutasil.
Yes, fi
Then it's a
mahali.
fi mahali ja.
Yes,
And then we say it's a bil idofa.
yes, exactly. Okay. Okay. So what's the question here? Can you translate this question?
The question then what will be the penalty because it will cause stealing, you see?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
What is the recompense, right? What is the
Recompense, yeah.
recompense?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do you think the Fa Fasiha is basically hiding, quote unquote?
In
Just
the
the
stealing.
previous,
Stealing, is it?
yeah. So basically, it's like if you're already caught stealing, something like that, right?
Yes, yeah.
In our dialogue in our conversation, we must say
Station.
we would say something like if you're already caught stealing, because they said we swear, right? We didn't come
Yes.
here to steal or to make
Steal.
corruption, right? Yeah. So
Yes.
basically, with Fa Fasiha, there is a shart here that's like saying if you're already caught stealing, then what would be the recompense?
Compense.
Okay, so that is one. Maybe you want me to write that? Okay, I will write that. So, oh no, okay, we can translate that here. So they said,
Then
yeah.
then
So
yeah. So yeah. So what
if you,
if okay. That is the shot, huh?
yes,
Yeah.
ready, caught stealing,
Stealing. Yeah.
stealing, then yes, what
What will
the
can we add yeah, what will be the recompense
yes, or as
of
you said,
it? Yeah.
yes,
Or penalty, yeah.
what will be its recompense? So yes, its
Okay, what
recompense.
will be it's yeah, correct. Mudah.
Okay,
Yeah.
clear, inshallah.
Yes, yeah, inshallah. The shot there, missing shot is clear now.
Yes, okay. There is another possibility for the far. So this one I will color it so that you know.
So that we know the match. Yeah.
Yes, but there's another one which we will talk a bit later after we do the next part. So this one, orange color. Okay, this part
Yeah,
here
the color
is
really helps.
the Fasiha. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Back to Sister Hamisa. In.
Okay. In is half sharat.
Yes. Did I miss anyone? I know someone came in, but I think we're not back, is it? Yes. Okay. So yes, this is a half. Oops. Half shirt. Then what do you say? Jazima or ghayra jazim?
Look at the
One
next.
is
Say again?
kuntum, you cannot really tell.
Yeah. So you
Yeah,
cannot
that's
look
why
at
you
the
can't
next
tell.
word.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
right.
So think
That's
about
so
in. Should it affect a fi'il mudari if there was a fi'il mudari?
I think so, yes.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So this is the first shart that we learned, right? So yes, this is going to be jazima. And we know that this is in our illam lamma, right?
Okay. Ilam lama.
Lama,
Okay,
yeah.
yes, okay.
And then what do we say? Status?
Yeah, we've forgotten.
It's a harf.
Oh,
Is there half then no status?
no status.
Yes,
Okay, la,
exactly. So la
okay, la
mahala.
mahala laha minal irab.
Yes, exactly. Actually, we forgot something.
Oh.
Sister Zarina, what is the sarf of jaza?
Oh. Oh, Jasab, yeah. It's Jim,
Mhm.
Za, and yeah.
Yes. What family?
No, Marcus family one.
Yes. What's the Madi?
Madi is Jaza with the Alif Maksura.
Yeah. So this is the word jazakallah. Right. This is the word.
Yeah, yes.
And what about the mutari?
I found that it's Doroba family, so Yajri with the Alif Maksura again.
Not yajri. This is
Oh.
zai.
Oh,
Yeah.
Z.
Yes.
Sorry,
Correct.
Z.
Yajri is the
Yeah.
river is flowing, right? Yajri,
Yeah.
right? Tajri
Yajri,
min
Yajri.
tahtihal. Yes.
Yeah,
This is
Yajri.
Z. Yes. Okay. What about the masdar?
Jazaan.
Yes. So the word that
Yeah.
we have is actually our master. Okay. There is an alif here. It's written with a alif maksura, a short alif. Okay. Jazaan. And then fahuwa.
For Jazin, is it?
Yes. This is nakis. So yes.
Yeah.
Jazin. Okay. Can? No plural for this. Jaza is no plural. Okay. So just wanted to maybe remind you to be careful. There's another word that we know that is like Jim, Zai, and Hamza also. What's that word?
Juzu.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so that is
Yes.
Jim, Zai, and Hamza. So that is
Hamza.
juice as we know
This
it,
is
juice.
okay.
This is actually this
Ah.
Hamza is here because ya cannot come after this alif.
Okay.
Right, so it's changed to this Hamza. So you
Yeah.
see this word, if you look at Jim, Zai, Hamza, you will find the juice, as you know, or ajza. Okay, that is divisions, right? This
Yeah.
one we know that jaza is recompense, so different with letters.
Yeah, we look at the meaning, this one.
Yes,
I was
exactly.
looking at the Jazin those. I lost a while because I was thinking of the Hamza or the
Me too. Me too.
Okay.
Initially, I also did that. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now you get it right. But
Okay.
did you like come to the conclusion? Yes, it is the master.
Yeah, I did. That one I got
In
on
the
my own.
dictionary, yes, it's a must-have.
But you just can't put that two and two together. Why is there the Hamza there? Is it?
I know it's Jim Zai, yeah, but when looking at the Jaza, and then we thought that Hamza is the root letter.
Initially, I got that as well. Then I said it doesn't make sense,
Yes,
So
exactly.
that's why. Yeah, I got what the Hamza is one of the letters.
Like
also.
even though I know that this word is this one that we're looking for, somehow my brain also, when I went to Ashtel because I want to find out the Madi Motori, right? When I went to Ashtel, I put Jim Zai Hamza also. Not this one.
Yeah.
Like subconscious.
Yeah.
Okay.
I always forget that. Okay, inshallah.
Yeah, me too,
Okay.
inshallah.
Do one more, Sister Hamisa. Kuntum. What kind of fi'il is this?
Fi'il madi.
Mm-hmm.
Mabni ala sukun.
Mabni ala sukun. Is it just normal fi'il madi?
Nakis, sorry. Fi'il madi nakis.
So add nakis here.
Mabni ala sukun.
Then?
Did the isim kana? How do I say the isim kana?
Not yet.
Litisolihi bita fa'il.
Yes. Bita al-fa'il. Now talk about the ta.
The ta is domir mutasil fi mahali rafa fa'il.
Not fa'il.
Sorry, isim kana.
Yes.
Yeah, we always forget.
Okay, so so do your Iraab as usual. Just add nakis, then instead of fa'il, change to ism kana.
Kana, okay.
Yes, if this was kana, for example, so you need to say, usually you say wal fa'il domir mustatir, right? So in that case, just change, instead of wal fa'il, you change to ismuha, for example. Okay. Yes, so this word, Sarf, please.
Kaf waw nun. Kana yakunu.
Kana yakunu.
Alamak, forget that.
Kaulan. This one I always remember.
Not
Ka-
kaulan.
Not kaulan.
What
Kaunan.
Yes, kaunan.
Kaunan and
Kaunan.
More.
Yeah.
what's the other favorite word?
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
It's
Something
like
like-
Kainun.
what is nap in Arabic?
Kaununa.
Yes. So
Oh.
this is kainuna.
Kain.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, the nap is koilula,
yeah.
right? Koilula.
Kailula. Yeah.
This is kainuna.
Oh,
And
yeah.
then one more. Ki.
Only sister Bibi can remember. I can't remember.
No, that is Sister Hamisa remembered.
Oh,
Ki.
very good.
Yan.
Okian.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Yeah.
Then fahuwa.
Kainun.
Yes. Oops. Ka. I. Nun. Okay.
Okay, insyaAllah.
Okay, next one. Sister Zarina. Kadhibina.
So now we need the khobar kana.
Yes. So this is our khobar kana. What status?
Is mansub biya.
Yeah.
Mansub biya. And then niyabataan. Al fatha. Because li'annahu jama' mudzakkar salim.
Yes. Jama' muzakkar.
The root letters. Yeah.
Salim. Yes, root letters.
Yeah. The kaf, da, and ba.
Yes, what family?
Family one. No markers. So kadaba and yukadibu.
You said family
No,
one,
no,
but you
no,
said
no,
another family.
Yeah, kadaba.
This is doroba.
Oh, so yakdibu.
Yak.
Yakdibu.
Ibu.
Then
Master, just give me one. There's many.
Kadib.
Yes, kazib is one.
Kadhib.
Yes, kazib
Yeah.
is the one that we always see in the Quran. Kazib. Good. Fahuwa.
Kadibun.
Yes, kazibun. Alhamdulillah. Okay, so just now we said the fa fasiha is the missing part is if you are already caught stealing, right?
Yeah.
But we do have a shart here. If. Okay. So we have to talk about, we already find our half shart. Oh, I forgot something. This half shart is jazima. So technically it should make this.
Majzum.
Yes. So
The
after
majzum,
you say fi'il madi naqis mabni ala sukun, add one more thing here. Fi.
Fi mahali
Mhm.
jazam.
Yes, correct. Because this is our
Jawabun.
Jawabu syart.
fi'il shart.
Fi'il syart.
Yes, this is our fi'il shart. Okay, so you do your i'rab as normal, just that because this is madi, it cannot be majzum, so it's gonna be fi madi jazm. Okay, after you say mabni ala whatever, you can put it there. But we haven't find our jawabu shart. This is still part of the fi'il shart, right? This is the khabar of kana. Okay, so this is still part of the conditional part. So we need our jawabul shart. So where is our jawabul shart?
Can it be in the next sentence?
It's not.
No.
The next
It's not.
sentence, the next
Also
sentence
thinking.
definitely is not.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not connected already.
That means mahzuf.
Yes, okay.
Oh, okay.
So what do we say?
Wa jumlah ba'daha.
No jumlah ba'dah, there's no jumlah after it.
Wa jumlah mahzuf.
Okay, so the
Wa
wajawabu syart
jawab syarat.
is mahzuf. Okay.
Mahzuf.
Can the meaning be before it?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
right?
like yeah.
Right. So basically this part, the orange one that we said for Fasiha, basically is
it's a
this
jawabu syarat.
part. It's not the jawabu syart. It's the syart lah.
Syarat. Okay.
Right? Just now we said when this is fa Fasiha, we have to think about our fi'il shart. We have to think about the shart part. What is the jumlah shart that's missing,
Right.
right? Which is this.
Okay.
But actually, we do have a jumlah shart here. Okay, so this jawabu, we can say that the jawabu shart is mazuf, but the meaning is brought forward, which we have seen
Yeah.
before, right?
Yes.
We say
Yes.
taqaddum ma'na, right? The meaning is brought forward. This is what we say. Okay, we can say this. So if we say this, we can say here, other than fa fasiha, we can say this is fa. What is the one that we need for jawabu shart?
Not waqi'ah ya.
Yes, waqi'ah.
Waqi'ah.
Yes. Oops. Waqi'ah.
Okay.
Okay.
Which one indicate, is it? Or
Yes.
imply? What
Yes, to indicate. Yes, waqi'ah. Okay. Fi jawabul. Oops. Shart. They put muqaddar. Okay. Okay, so it's either one of these two. So here, I'm gonna color it purple. And this will be the in kuntum kadhibun is basically the jawabu shart. The fi'il shart, sorry.
Fi'il shart, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So basically, even if you don't have to think about, if you don't take this as fa fasiha, right? So you don't have to think about this, right? So it's like, what will be its recompense if, how do we translate this?
If you're caught
you
stealing.
all caught lying.
Yes, if
Caught-
you
caught-
all are liars,
caught
basically.
liars.
Yes. Okay. So what will be its recompense? If you are liars.
Liars.
Yes. Okay. So this one is the purple one. I mean, this one, whether you say it's fa fasiha or not, it's going to be there, right? Because the words are there. Okay.
Yeah, those are there.
Yeah, it's just that if you say it's fa waqi'ah, then you don't need this basically. You don't need this orange part. Okay. If you say it's fa fasiha, then yes, you need the orange part. You understand the subtle difference?
Yeah.
Okay.
Explain it.
But you got it, right?
It's just that the fasiha part is missing. But the fa waqi'ah is, the words are there like in kuntum kazibin.
Yes. Okay. You all with me?
No, we never see that.
But still absorbing.
Yeah.
So if you can understand at least one of the fa, that's enough, right?
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yes. If not, if you can understand both, then mashallah, alhamdulillah. Okay. If you get one, if you don't even get the fasiha, right? Let's say you don't get the fasiha, because you can clearly see the in kuntum here, which we
can see that.
quite a few times already we see in kuntum after the fact, right? After whatever it ends with this, then we say it's mahzuf, but it's actually the meaning is preceded already, it's brought forward already. Okay, so even if you don't see the fasiha part, it's fine. Okay, but obviously since you did open your Iraab book and you saw fasiha, then yes, then this will be the then this is the explanation for the fasiha. Okay.
At first I was thinking there's two syarat in the sentence.
Well, I guess if you say that this is fa fasiha, right? So you have one that is muqaddar, that is the one that's omitted, and then you have like another shart. Yeah, so basically if you say fa fasiha, yes, you have basically two shart. Yes, exactly.
But the answer is one.
Yes, the answer is the same.
One.
Yes,
Yeah,
the answer
is the same question.
Yes, it's this question, ma jaza.
Okay.
Okay. I'm not going to the next ayah.
Yeah, I have to
since
stop as
there's only
well.
two, but we will revise our jumlah syad. We will revise ma and man because we will need it the next ayah. So that's a
Okay.
hint.
There's a lot of
Inshallah.
man. The
Yes.
next
Lot,
ayat. Yeah.
yeah.
Yes. So
Sister,
if
I
you
have to stop, sister, because it's
okay.
our Maghrib time. Yeah,
Yes.
inshallah.
Here,
Yeah, see you
inshallah.
tomorrow, inshallah. Yeah, Jazakallah
Inshallah.
khair,
Inshallah.
sis.
Wa
Assalamualaikum.
iyyakum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.
Jumlah syarat.
Yes. So basically there are many that is there is many that is the jazima one. Somebody came in.
Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Salam.
Just in time actually, Sister Sue. We finished the ayah already, but we are going to revise shart. Okay, we did one shart today, which is in. So you have to watch the recording for the Iraab of that. Okay, it's quite simple, so not to worry. But we are going to revise a bit more difficult one. So,
Okay.
Sorry, wrong one.
Yeah, my nap was supposed to be 15 minutes. It end up
Alhamdulillah, Allah let you sleep a bit more. Okay, so in ma and man is very common. Okay, in ma and man is very common. The difference is in is if and is a harf. Okay, so you have the harf shad. You will have your fi'il shad. If it's mudari, obviously it's going to be majzum. Here we have madi, like just now. So we're going to add the fi mahali jazm, fi'il shart, okay? And then of course you're going to have your jawabu shart, okay? If your jawabu shart is normal mudari, then you can just say, it will not have fa. You can just say it is fi'il mudari majzum. That will be your jawabu shart. But if there's a fa here, then we will say the fa waqi'ah. We will say fa waqi'ah. Waqi'ah is the term we use for the fa in jawabushat and in oaths. Okay, so we say fa waqi'ah fi jawabil shart. Then we say that the jumlah after it is fi mahali jazm jawabul shart. Okay, so because this in affects both the conditional and the answer, so we need to have both fi mahali jazm if it's not in the mudari form. Okay, that part is clear, inshallah. Now a bit more difficult one. Other than that, in basically is la mahala because it's a harf, so it doesn't have a status. Okay, but for ma and man we do. Ma, hold on. Okay, man is whoever used for intelligent being, and then ma is for inanimate objects lah, non-intelligent being. Okay, so whatever. So whoever does something, maybe for example, whoever does something will get something. Whatever you do will be good for you, something like that. Okay, so man is ism, ma also ism. So when it's an ism, it needs to have a status, okay? And the i'rab of it will depend on the role in the sentence. So, for example, here we have faman sya'a falyu'min. Whoever wills, then he should believe. Okay, and then this is another shart, the same kind. Waman sya'a falyakfur. So we do one here. So man is going to be ism shart. It is jazim, meaning if mudhari comes with it, then it should make it majzum. Okay. And then here we have it as mubtada. How do we know that this is mubtada? So look at the fi'il shart. Here we have sya'a, which is a fi'il madi, and the the fa'il is huwa. If the huwa goes back to the man, that or the fa'il of the fi'il basically goes back to the man, just to revise, man and ma can take any number. Okay, so even if the fa'il here is plural, but it does go back to the man, then this man is mubtada. Okay, so here is whoever, literally is whoever he wills, right? But obviously we don't translate that whoever wills, because the he here does go back to this whoever, right? Whoever wills. So this man is mubtada. Okay. Mubtada needs a
Khabar.
yes. So where is the khabar? The khabar will be directly after it. Sya'a onwards. So sya'a is
Oh,
is the fi'il syad, but it's
okay.
also part of the khabar. Okay. So basically man as an ism has a status, in this case mubtada, and it needs a khabar. So everything after it will be the khabar. Man as an ism syad also needs a fi'il syad to, because man, whoever what, right? Whoever, you cannot stop there. So it needs a fi'il syad. It will have one also. Okay. And the khabar will be fi'il syad onwards. So it's not as if like the fi'il syad is like after the jawab. It's not like that. I'm sorry, I'm talking about the khabar. It's not as if mubtada is here, khabar is with the jumlah jawab syad. It's not like that. Whatever comes after the man is your khabar ready. Whoever wills. Because khabar, what's the role of khabar? To give you the
Explain.
information about the mubtada, right? So the information is not at the fal yu'min. The information is that the shah. Whoever what? Whoever wills. You understand what I mean?
Okay.
Okay. So for our Irab, man ism syad, we must say it's jazima or jazim. And then you can say obviously it's going to be mabni. And then fi mahali rafa, in this case mubtada. And then whatever comes after it, so I make it clear that sya'a is included and the jawab is also included, is your fi mahali rafa, is the khabar of the mubtada. Okay, so we done our mubtada khabar part, but obviously we need our fi'il syad. So sya'a is fi'il madi, then you do as per normal, mabni ala fath. But because man is jazm, right, it should affect the next word, but this is fi'il madi, so it's mabni. So we say fi mahali jazm fi'il syad. Okay, then the fa'il dhamir mustatir normal, tadiruhu huwa. Okay, and then fa here again starts our jawab syad. Yes, so fa have a name when it comes to this, so it's called waqi'ah. Fi jawab syad, and the jumlah after that fa is fi mahali jazm, because again oh yeah, never mind, whatever jumlah after it will be fi mahali jazm jawab syad. And then here obviously you have your lam amr. Lam amr is your wal fali, right? We call it lam amr, and it's going to make the fi'il mudhari majzum anyway. Okay, so even if this was a jumlah ismiyah, for example, fahuwa, then yes, that jumlah ismiyah will also be fi mahali jazm as a jawab syad. Clear? Can? Sister Sue? Can?
Can, I think, inshallah.
Okay.
But to equate the man and the sya'a, because let's say if the sya'a have is home or antum, which is plural, a man can I mean,
so you need, obviously you need the meaning. Man can take any number, okay?
So
For
can
sure
take any
can take any
number.
number, yes. So if the you will need the meaning. So if the whom can go back to the man, then yes,
it's a
then
mubtada.
it's still a mubtada. Okay. We have another example here. We have wama taf'alu min khairin. Okay, whoever does good. Sorry, not whoever, whatever good you do. Okay, whatever good you do. So here you have ma. It is an ism shart. Okay, again jazima. Okay, and then you have taf'alu. Taf'alu is fi'il mudhari'. It's majzum because ma does affect it. So that's how we know this is ma shart in the first place, because mausul cannot affect the next one, right? And here our fa'il is who? Taf'alu.
Antum.
Yes, antum. Okay. But it's not whoever does good, right? Here is whatever good you do. Whatever you do, basically. Don't talk about the good. Whatever you do. Okay? So you do what? So this ma is your fi mahali nasab as a maf'ul bihi of this fi'il here.
That is a difficult part.
So definitely you need your the meaning lah, the meaning to make it easier. Okay, I don't think there's many like this in the Quran. I think you will see more mubtada than fi mahli nasab, but
Okay.
yes, still need to know. Okay. Yes, and then so since it's a maf'ul bihi, so just now mubtada needs a khabar, maf'ul bihi needs a jumlah fi'liyah lah, right? So your fi'il is your fi'il shart is the same. Okay, your fi'il shart has two things it's doing. One is the shart, and obviously it is also holding the maf'ul bihi. Okay, so this is fi'il shart, mudhari majzum. Obviously, we have nun, and the waw is your fa'il. Okay. Here is min khairin. Okay. From whatever good. Yes. So mutarik to what?
Taf'alu.
This is
Oh,
actually
to ma.
yes, to ma. Okay. Basically, I put here hal mahzuf. Basically, we usually use the term shibul jumlah fi mahali nasab hal of ma. Okay. Ma is an ism shart. So it's gonna be proper because you say hal, you need the sahibul hal, right? So this is your sahibul hal. Okay, whatever from the good, right? From good. That's why when we translate as whatever good, because this good comes is attached actually to the ma, not to the you do. It's not the yes, it's not the hal of doing, it's the whatever that you do. Okay, so again, this is also tricky in a sense. But yes, so you can have muta'adik to ma. Okay, you can have muta'adik to ma or man. And then obviously you need your jawabul syart, and you know ya'lam here is your fi'il mudhari. It doesn't have anything like a wow, so it cannot be part of the condition. You already know this is your jawabul syart here. Yes, because there's no wow or anything like that to attach it to this. So definitely this is start of our jawabul syart. So in this case, we don't need the term waqi'ah and all that. This is your jawabul syart, fi'il mudhari' majzum bisukun, and the fa'il we have is lafzul jalalah. The who is maf'ul bihi. Clear? Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Sister Sue, are you with me?
Yeah, inshallah.
Okay, so I think this is actually although maybe you feel not confident about recognizing whether it's a maf'ul or mubtada, right? But this is a much easier i'rab compared to the mubtada one, right? Mubtada, you need khabar and all that, and then you need your fi'il shart still. Okay, but this one you'll be more confident if to recognize mubtada, you think?
Not really. Not really, because I was looking at the next ayat. I can't really see it yet. Until you
Okay.
explain this one, then I can at least guide it lah.
Okay, okay. So inshallah, so that will be the hint for next ayah. Next ayah. Yeah, there is a man on the next ayah. So yeah, we
And
see.
especially ayat 76 kan.
Yeah, ayat 76 is
Oh,
much, even much
betul.
harder actually, the second last part, yes. So here, inshallah, we take it slow. Or at least, but this shows that you are looking forward already. You are preparing yourself already. Okay. So any questions
Yeah.
before we end the day? No?
It's always a problem of identifying the status lah. Even in Masdar Muawal, even in
Yeah,
that's
when
my
it's
problem actually.
mabni, right? When it's not clear, obviously a lot of thinking to do. But inshallah, I think you just need confidence. I think so far macam in class macam okay, not bad. You still can answer. So
Yeah, but because you are guided.
so whatever my prompts are in class will be your
Yeah.
prompts when you're alone. You must think
Aduh.
what would Sister
Yeah.
Adila ask me? Yes.
But we look back at the recording. Over and over.
Yes, inshallah.
InsyaAllah.
Okay, so the rest, there are more, Sister Suraya especially, there are more shards. I mean, ada tu shard like Aina, all this, but we will take it when it come lah. We don't bombard you with all right now. So mine we're going to see it soon. So that's why we do it today. Mata or Ayana, when we see it, then we will discuss it, inshallah. Okay.
Okay,
If there are
insyaAllah.
no questions, then I see you all tomorrow for Juz Ammah, inshallah. Okay. So,
Jazakallah khair sis.
Subhanakallahumma bihamdika la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakallah khair.
Wa iyyakum.